Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dorin's Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. So guys, today we are making amazing shakshuka eggplant with eggs shakshuka recipe. So guys, I have my, as you can see in the video, guys. So I'm preparing my eggplants and I have one garlic there. I've added olive oil. Then I will cover them. After that, I will bake them. So let's bake them for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, my eggplant and garlic is ready. So I will remove the cover, I will peel them, then smash them. As you can see, they were very hot. So I was peeling them. After this, I will start smashing them. Oh, they are very soft. I like this. I was peeling them. I've peeled, not I was peeling. They have peeled, so I was smashing. After that, I added vegetable oil to the pan. Then I will cook with onion. I have white onions here. So there is a part which I did not show you. I've added some cumin seed, a little bit of cumin seed there. So as you can see, I've added my chopped tomatoes. After that, I will stir them. As you can see in the video what I'm doing, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Remember to support your girl here. Then I've added different types of bell pepper. I have red, green and yellow there. I've added. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Show your love to Dorin's Kitchen. I will cover them to cook for some 2 minutes. Then tomato paste I've added. Then I've added some spices with salt. The spices you have at home is what you can use. What you have in your kitchen is what you can use there. So look at that. I think they have cooked. So I've added my mashed eggplant in the sauce. This recipe is very good, guys. You have to try this. After that, I'm going to add I've added eggs, guys. Cook it for 2 minutes, then enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.